I can also sort data, okay? So if I wanted to sort that data frame by age, right? I can, let's get rid of that again. If I want to sort that data frame, sort values, age, right? Now I've sorted this from youngest to oldest. And it also gives me the index. Notice the index didn't get redone. So this gives me the index of the youngest to oldest. And if I wanted to, I could sort those values again by a second thing, right? So if I use this syntax down here, I can actually give it an array of columns as that first argument. But if I wanted to say, I wanted the people who were oldest to be at the top, I could say ascending equals false, and then it gives me oldest to youngest. I can also say, let's sort by age and number of pets. How about that? So we've got age, and then pets. Notice that this is an array inside here. Okay, so I've got the oldest lady with the most pets, lives in some place called Jackson, Arkansas, apparently. Uh, Name is Gina, and she's 64 years old with 6 pets. I hope some of those are fish. So we've got all of our old people there, and our youngest is an 18-year-old with 1 pet. So it uses both of those things to sort. Now, if I wanted to sort number of pets first and then age, I can do that. So that prioritizes those, age. So now what we've got is we're starting with the people who have the most pets. And then inside that number of most pets, we have them sorted by age. But just by looking at this stuff, I can get a feel for how many pets different people have. How many pets do people different ages? I can do that by just sorting the data and looking at it. Okay, so sorting is important.